Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to set up two-factor authentication on your Google account. So first, click Gmail, then click your profile and go to Google account. Then in here, click the security tab and scroll down until you see two-step verification. Sign in to your account. Then after that, scroll down and click Get Started. And then in here, click Continue and enter your phone number. And after you enter the code and then click Next. And after that, click Turn On. And that's it. That's how to set up two-factor authentication on your Google account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.